Zelle and gift cards, frenemies or forever foes? Ever get stuck needing to send money to a friend, but you're fresh out of cash and your bank account is staring back at you with a lonely single digit? We've all been there. Thankfully, services like Zelle have become lifesavers, allowing for quick and easy money transfers between friends and family. But what if you have a gift card burning a hole in your pocket? Can you ditch the debit card and use that sweet plastic instead? Let's face it, gift cards can be a double-edged sword. They're convenient gifts, but sometimes you end up with one for a store you never shop at, or maybe the amount just doesn't cover what you need. Zelle seems like the perfect solution. Send that money directly to your friend and avoid the hassle of returns or exchanges. But hold on a second, is it really that simple? The truth behind the Zelle gift card conundrum. Here's the not-so-fun fact. Zelle and gift cards are not exactly best friends. In fact, Zelle specifically prohibits using gift cards or prepaid cards for transactions. There are a few reasons behind this. Security. Zelle relies on linking your bank account for secure and verified transfers. Gift cards lack the same level of verification and pose a higher risk for fraud. Regulations. Financial regulations play a big role here. Zelle transactions involve the movement of actual funds from your bank account, whereas gift cards hold a predetermined value. Functionality. Simply put, Zelle isn't designed to work with gift cards. The system is built for transferring money directly between bank accounts. So, you're stuck with a gift card? Don't despair. Alright, so using Zelle with a gift card is a no-go. But that doesn't mean you're stuck. Here are a few alternative solutions to consider. Go old school, the classic option. Head back to the store and see if they allow exchanges for cash or merchandise credit. This might not be ideal, but it allows you to use the full value of the card. Get creative online. Several online marketplaces allow you to sell your gift card for cash, at a discounted price, of course. This can be a good way to recoup some value, though be cautious of scams and use reputable platforms. Third-party apps. With caution, there are some apps that claim to facilitate gift card to cash transfers. However, proceed with extreme caution. These apps often come with high fees and may not be secure. Do your research and only use trusted services. Remember, when considering third-party apps, always prioritize security. Read reviews, check user experiences, and ensure the app is legitimate before handing over any information. Workarounds and why they might not be worth it. Listen, we understand the temptation to find a workaround. Maybe you've seen some online hacks about using a service to register your gift card as a debit card. Here's the thing, these methods often violate the terms and conditions of both Zelle and the gift card issuer. In the worst-case scenario, you could end up getting your accounts flagged or even banned. Not exactly worth the risk, right? The bottom line, play by the rules. While it might not be what you want to hear, sticking to the official channels is always the safest bet. There are plenty of legitimate ways to use your gift card, so avoid any methods that seem too good to be true. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.